Hi, my name is Rizwan. I'm 32 years old and I'm originally from Bangalore. I started having problems with my eyes, especially with my left eye, since the end of 2012 or beginning of 2013. I've been since then using spectacles, and then it took a while, and after a couple of years my eyesight started degrading drastically actually, and then but I have been quite very not so serious about it, because I thought my eyesight could be easily fixed using either contact lenses or spectacles. But then based on my work, I work as an automotive engineer, and I travel a lot to European countries. And during my journey, I noticed that because I have to do a lot of driving, it's part of my job. I noticed that I was having difficulties noticing a few signs which are critical during testing and automotive and stuff like that. And then it was kind of clear to me, and someone had also indicated to me that there was some problem with my eyes, and it had nothing to do with correction using spectacles or contact lenses, but I have to immediately consult a doctor. So my first consultation was not in India actually, but was in Germany, and then and it was quite clear at the time that I need to be taking more this thing more serious, and I have to get a medical attention as soon as possible. And when I was back in India, my father actually recommended me to visit the Narayana Nethralaya, obviously because Narayana Nethralaya is quite popular when it comes to checking up your eyes, and it's a specialist in the domain of eyes and eye treatment. So obviously Narayana Nethralaya was my first choice, and the first time I visited Narayana Nethralaya was in 2019, and Dr. Rohit Shetty had my eyes diagnosed, and he told me that I was suffering from a condition of an eye disorder which is called Keratoconus, and Dr. Rohit Shetty and his team suggested me to undergo a surgery which could arrest the ongoing growth of cornea, which was not supposed to happen, and therefore to arrest this growth and to stop the worsening of my eye vision, I had to undergo two different surgeries, which happened on the same day at Narayana Nethralaya. And my first surgery was on my left eye, and it was about 2 years ago. And after the surgery, I was really satisfied with the treatment, I would say so far. I was really satisfied with the hospital staff, the entire medical team. The entire surgery was painless, it was very smooth. The whole situation was handled extremely professionally. And I was extremely satisfied. And beginning of this year, I also started having some problems with my right eye, and I immediately knew that it could also be a problem with keratoconus, and I have to again come back. And even though I had many opportunities to diagnose myself either in the US or in Europe, but I still chose to come back to India. And whenever I was in India, I get myself diagnosed at Narayana Nethralaya, only because of my previous experience. I had a very good experience, and I'm really glad that I got diagnosed here, because I'm really happy with the results. I trusted myself completely to the doctors. I followed the treatment exactly the way they asked me to, whether it was wearing glasses after the treatment, after the surgery, not going out, taking medicines regularly on time, following the eye drops scheduled timetable up to a couple of months. It takes up to 3 to 6 months depending on the surgeries. And I followed it promptly, very professional, and I'm extremely satisfied, and I'm really glad that my eye treatment could be done here successfully at Narayana Nethralaya. Thanks.